Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Sony Pulse Elite wireless headset. A gaming headset designed for the PlayStation 5 and various other devices. We'll explore its design, features, sound quality, and overall performance, so stick around to find out if it's worth your consideration. Let's start with the design. The Pulse Elite wireless headset sports a sleek, futuristic look that sets it apart from Sony's previous gaming headsets. It features plush ear cups and a comfortable headband designed to alleviate pressure during long gaming sessions. The headset is predominantly made of matte black plastic, which, while prone to scuff marks, adds to its modern aesthetic. Comfort is crucial in gaming headsets, especially for extended use. Despite its slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors, weighing in at 347 grams, the Pulse Elite remains comfortable over extended periods. The ear pads provide good passive noise isolation, helping to immerse you in your gameplay without distractions. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, audio performance. The Pulse Elite features planar magnetic drivers, a feature typically found in high-end audiophile headphones. This technology results in exceptional sound quality with detailed, accurate audio reproduction. Whether you're gaming or listening to music, the headset offers a balanced sound profile with deep, well-defined bass and a wide soundstage. The headset supports Sony's 3D audio for supported PS5 games, enhancing your gaming experience by accurately positioning audio cues in a 3D space. It's a significant advantage for immersive gameplay. Moving on to features, the Pulse Elite offers dual device connectivity, allowing you to pair it simultaneously with your PS5 via the PlayStation Link USB adapter and a smartphone via Bluetooth. This flexibility is convenient for gamers who also use their headset for voice calls or listening to music on the go. While it lacks active noise cancellation, the headset's passive noise isolation is effective, blocking out external sounds well. It includes a retractable boom microphone that delivers clear voice quality, essential for multiplayer gaming and video calls. Battery life is another strong suit. Sony claims up to 30 hours of listening time on a full charge at moderate volumes, with a quick charge feature providing 2 hours of playtime from just a 10-minute charge. The headset charges via USB-C and includes a convenient wall-mountable charging dock. Wrapping up, the Sony Pulse Elite wireless headset impresses with its premium sound quality, comfortable design, and versatile connectivity options. While it may lack a few high-end features like active noise cancellation, it compensates with its excellent audio performance and overall value for money. That wraps up our review of the Sony Pulse Elite wireless headset. If you're looking for a gaming headset that delivers on sound quality and comfort without breaking the bank, this could be a solid choice for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.